Good morning, student. This lecture is for 7th class student. Yesterday I taught you simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and today we will read compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence has at least two independent clause and one or more dependent clause. तो कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में क्या होता है, कम से कम दो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लाउज होते हैं और एक या एक से ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट होते हैं. इंडिपेंडेंट कौन से होते हैं? जो मेन क्लाउज होता है जिसका मीनिंग अपने आप में क्या होता है, क्लियर होता है. और डिपेंडेंट जो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लाउज के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. सो लुक एट द एग्जांपल. ऑल्दो आई गो ऑन कैंपिंग, ऑल्दो आई लाइक टू गो camping, I haven't had the time to go lately and I haven't found anyone to go with. Lura forgot his friend's birthday. क्या हो गया? लूरा अपनी फ्रेंड का बर्थडे फॉरगट हो गई, भूल गई. So she sent her a card when she finally remembered. Identify whether the sentences are simple, complex, compound and compound complex. Please underline the dependent clause where it applies. First one देखिए, Joe waited for the train but the train was late. अब इसमें क्या होता है, ये जो both are independent clause but have been joined with को in conjunction से हमने यूज किया हुआ है. That's why this is compound sentence. Next, they got there early and they got really good seats. They got there early, वो जल्दी वहाँ पहुँच गए. And they got really good seats. यहाँ पे कौन सा है कंजक्शन? And. Both independent clauses are joined with and conjunction. That is compound sentence. Next, I looked for Mary and Samantha at the bus station. This is, ये क्या है हमारे पास? Independent clause. But they arrived at the station before noon. This is dependent. And left on the bus before I read. This is also dependent. ये कौन सा हमारे पास? Complex. The team captain jumped for joy and the fan cheered because we won the state championship. The team captain jumped for joy. जो टीम कैप्टन थे वो जॉय के लिए, जॉयस के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? जंप किया. वाई? एंड द फैन चीयर्स. और जो उसके फैन थे क्या हो गए? खुश हो गए. बिकॉज वी वन द स्टेट चैम्पियनशिप. क्योंकि हमने स्टेट चैम्पियन क्या लिया था? वन कर लिया था, जीत लिया था. That is compound complex sentence. Professor chose intelligent student completed and turned in their homework. This is independent and closed by and conjunction, correlating conjunction. That is compound. Next, they spoke to him in Spanish, but he responded in English. उन्होंने उसे किस में बोला? स्पेनिश में. But he responded in English. उसने रिस्पॉन्स दिया इंग्लिश में. Both are independent and joined with by conjunction but. So this is compound sentence. The woman who taught grammar was fired for stealing school supplies. Who taught? 4. Stealing. Compound sentence. When she opened the door. When she opened the door. This is independent, this is dependent. And she found an old man there who asked her if she could have any money. When she opened the door, what she found? She found an old man there who asked her if she could have some money. Both are dependent clause. And she found an old woman. This is independent, that is complex sentence. Transformation of simple sentences into compound sentences. We can link two simple sentences, these which are independent clause, जो क्या है separately independent clauses, and to convert into a single compound sentence it can be done by using a coordinating conjunctions to connect the clause. Make sure to sleep well. This is independent clause. You will not wake up on time. This is also independent clause. But both are simple sentences. We can convert into a single compound sentence by using coordinating conjunction. So first example is given here. Make sure to sleep. Remove full stop from here. Use coordinate conjunction, or then write you will not wake up on time. Now it has become compound sentence. Next, the team wants to win the game. This is also independent clause. The team wants to win the game. It hopes to win a championship. It's also a simple sentence. So we can convert both single sentences into compound sentence by using coordinating conjunction. We have used here and. This is coordinating conjunction. So the team wants to win the game. So remove it from here and use conjunction hopes to win a championship. Now it become compound sentence. Third one, Saudi Arabia is famous for shopping malls. Why Saudi Arabia famous for? For shopping malls. But it is also known for its oil reserves. So we can change Saudi Arabia is famous for shopping malls. This is a combined sentence. So we can change into simple sentences. Saudi Arabia is famous for shopping malls, but it is also known for its oil reserves. Then Saudi Arabia is famous for the shopping mall. This is become a simple sentence, and we can remove here but, and I become capital. It is also known for its oil reserve. So these both sentences are simple sentences, and we can change into both simple into compound sentences using by but coordinating conjunctions. So student, tomorrow we will study page number 19 B part. Till then, revise today's work what I taught you. Thank you.